In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the angry plant stares as you hide your plant in your backpack in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So sometimes when you walk up to this angry plant over here, to the hungry plant in the middle, you can just talk to it and then you have the actual item you were supposed to give it, for example like this apple, in your hand, and then you click on take this plant. It basically tries to eat it, and then you get the message up top on your screen which says the angry plant stares as you hide your plant in your backpack. Now, a lot of you guys have been getting this message and even messaging me what to do and needing help, so here I am trying to basically fix this issue for you. So what you should do, and what it's been proven to work actually by admins, one of the admins said in their Discord that this is currently a bug. Now, it's only happening to some players, and they also provided the fix for it, which I will show you in just a second. So the issue, as I said, is a bug, and they will try to fix it as soon as possible. However, right now it's still occurring to a lot of people. So if it's happening to you as well, here's what you have to do. You have to join a private server. So in the private server, just try again and you'll be good to go. Let me show you how to actually do this. So I'm gonna just leave the game really quickly. There we go. Let me just really quickly find the server. There we go. You want to go to Grow a Garden. Over here you want to look for the game, and you want to click on the game developers. You can click on, let me just see how to actually do this on here. Is it even possible? There we go. You want to click on this quick little icon and click on create private server. And then what this will do is it will create a private server. You will have to give the experience a name, so it's gonna be for free. You don't have to pay anything, even though it says buy now over here. So experience name, I'm gonna just give it test, and then you want to click buy now, and it's gonna be free. As you can see, it says we have a problem. So currently they're having a problem, but don't worry about it, because after a few minutes you can try again. And as you can see, my server over here has been created. Now what you then have to do is, you'll see it over here, just click on join, and then you'll be able to join your new server. Now wait for this to load, so just in a second. Let me load this up over here on the left bottom, and then after everything has loaded up, I'm gonna skip it. There we go. You'll then be on a private server with just yourself and your garden, without anybody else on here, and of course your progress will be saved. You'll lose nothing. So over here, what you can do is then walk up to the plant and see if that happens again. If it doesn't, congratulations, you've successfully fixed your issue. And then, of course, you can go back to playing your usual servers. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.